Happy birthday, Pat Aka. May God bless you always and keep you happy and pretty forever.
Happy birthday to you.
You were born in Brazil.
Happy birthday to Patty B. Happy birthday to you.
பேட்ரிஷியா, அப்பாவின் பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் உனக்கு. உன்னையும் கணவர் கார்த்திக், பிள்ளைகள் ஈத்தன், ஸ்ருதி, அர்ஜுன் குமார் ஆகிய அனைவரையும் தமது அன்பிலும் பாதுகாப்பிலும் வைத்து ஆசீர்வதித்து வருவதற்காக இறைவனுக்கு நான் நன்றி செலுத்துகிறேன். தொடர்ந்து நல்ல உடல் நலத்துடன் எல்லா வளமும் பெற்று நல்ல சுகமாக உனது வாழ்க்கை அமைய வேண்டும் என்று இறைவனிடம் வேண்டிக் கொள்கிறேன். எனது அன்பான வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Hi Patsy, happy birthday. Please faster come, waiting to meet all of y'all.
Pat, you're 40 years old, Pat. Oh my gosh. You're like the baby in the group, you know. And oh my gosh, you're 40 years old. Anyways, age is just a number, right? Thankful for your friendship all these years, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm sorry I'm not there to celebrate with you, but I'm sure you'll have a wonderful time with all the loved ones and friends around you today. I hope to see you soon though, and until then, take care, love you, hugs, God bless, and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Patricia. இனிய பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Hello, America. Hi, Patricia. How are you? How's Karthik? And all the kids, okay? Wishing you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you, keep you healthy, enjoy your moments with your family. A long way to go, alright? Take care.
Alright? Alright to go.
Happy birthday again.
Happy
Bye.
birthday.
Hi Patricia, happy birthday. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? I hope you have a blasted one. Send my regards to kids and mama also. Okay? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yay.
Hi Pat, happy birthday. May God bless you. கடவுள் உங்களுக்கு எல்லா சந்தோஷங்களும் எல்லாமே கொடுக்கட்டும். உடல் அளவுலையும் மனசளவுலையும் நீ ஹாப்பியாக எப்பயும் ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கணும். ஹோப் டு see you and enjoy your birthday. Take care. அடுத்த பேபி இருந்தாலும் எங்களுக்கு so happy. Okay? Take care.
Happy birthday, Panaka. May God bless you. Enjoy your birthday.
Cheers, Patricia. Happy birthday to you. 40 years old already.
Hi Pat, happy birthday. It's your 40th birthday and I hope you are surprised. Have a good celebration and I'm sure it's going to be a memorable one. Happy birthday Pat. I miss you and hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Pat. Wishing you the happiest birthday this year and many more happy birthdays in the coming years with Karthik and Ethan and
family. Happy birthday to Shruti's mom.
We love you.
And Tambi Boy's mom. Happy birthday. Bye. Malaysia. Bye bye.
Vanakamma. Pat, happy birthday to you. Dirghayus Bhava. My best blessing to you. Be happy and cheerful always. God bless you. Happy birthday. Enjoy yourself. Thank you. Take care.